Vinted operates an integrated shipping system where buyers pay for shipping through the platform and sellers generate prepaid shipping labels. Understanding how this system works and why it sometimes fails is crucial for successful transactions. Despite this streamlined process, shipping label failures affect approximately 3 to 5% of all Vinted transactions. While this may seem small, it represents thousands of failed transactions daily across the platform. These failures stem from three main categories. Payment processing issues account for 60% of all failures, postal provider connectivity problems represent 25%, and user errors make up the remaining 15%. Payment processing failures are the most common issue. These include insufficient wallet balance, credit card authorization problems, and bank security blocks on online transactions. Currency conversion issues can also cause problems for international sales. Postal provider connectivity issues represent the second largest category of failures. These include API connectivity problems, service outages at postal providers, address validation failures, and weight or dimension restrictions that prevent label generation. Vinted has made significant improvements to address these issues. They've implemented enhanced error reporting with specific failure codes, upgraded their payment processing system, reducing payment-related failures by 40%, and improved their mobile app to better handle offline scenarios. When you encounter a shipping label failure on Vinted, there are several immediate troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. First, clear your app cache and cookies. This removes temporary data that might be causing conflicts with the shipping label generation process. Next, verify your wallet balance and check your internet connection. Insufficient funds or poor connectivity are common causes of shipping label failures. For payment-related shipping failures, which account for 60% of all issues, there are specific solutions you can implement. Adding backup payment methods is crucial. This ensures that if your primary payment method fails, the system can automatically try alternative options. Contact your bank to authorize online transactions, as many banks automatically block unfamiliar online payments for security reasons. Postal provider issues represent 25% of shipping failures. Address verification is the most important step to prevent these problems. Use Postal Service address verification tools to ensure your shipping addresses are accurate and properly formatted for the postal system. Also check package weight and dimension limits and consider alternative shipping methods during postal provider outages. As a seller, you can implement prevention strategies to minimize shipping label failures before they occur. Maintain updated payment information and regularly verify shipping addresses. Monitor Vinted's status page for known issues that might affect your sales. Keep alternative shipping methods available as backup options, and establish clear communication channels with your buyers in case delays occur. Vinted is implementing advanced technological solutions to reduce shipping failures. AI-powered error detection and automated retry systems are being deployed to prevent and resolve issues automatically. These improvements, combined with the troubleshooting strategies we've covered, will significantly reduce shipping label failures and improve the overall Vinted selling experience.